truck turning through. Here comes this white Freightliner. Nice little lower cutouts coming through here. Refrigerated trailer, followed by a Freightliner, regular trailer. Another Freightliner. U.S. Food is from here in Fairburn, Georgia. Nice little white box truck on the move out here. There go a nice van with ladder on top. There's so many different types of businesses out here. There go a nice Freightliner over there with Premier Foods, Premier Transportation really. And even a school bus mixed in it. Busy traffic over here in Fairburn. Come a nice little green Volvo. I'm going to make that turn out here. That's a nice color.